Hi my loves, hi dogs, welcome to a new vlog. If you're new here, my name is Lucy. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I am getting ready to go and watch my brothers play. They're having a match today. It's a friendly match. I'm putting this on my face because I ran out of my facial creams, so I'm using an alternatives. I mean, it's good for the skin. So I am going to watch my brothers play today. I have about 4 brothers that are playing. They are playing a game. It's like those friendly games where they play with their friends, and they don't play for money or anything. They're just playing for fun. It's part of their exercise for gym. So I'll be watching them play, and then also later on later on this week, I think tomorrow, we have a Christmas party at work, and they need you to come with your partner at the same time and all whatsoever. They have a lot of rules which I don't understand, but anyway, it's none of my business. But all I'm saying is we're having a Christmas party which I don't even think I'm gonna go. I don't want to go, but if I do go, I'm gonna take you guys with me. Look how my skin is glowing. I will take you guys with me if I am going, but yeah, let's get into that. So we're going to watch my brothers play. I'm also gonna spray my hair. It is a bit late already and a bit cold, so I think I'll be chilling in the car, but I'll see this play. I really love it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to share the vlog, share the link with your friends. I highly appreciate it. So let's put some life in my eyes as well. Not too much, but enough. I hope it doesn't look crazy, but yeah. Let's go and watch my brothers play. I'm using Vaseline on my lips. Let's bounce. I hope you like this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Let's go and watch my parents play. There's nothing much happening in this vlog, but yeah, it's gonna be a nice vlog. Stay tuned.
Someone with a good hair, something like that. I think that's her name. See if I can install like her. And I got like a really reason like a smash maker.
They are already pre-plugged.
Yeah. And then you can like if you want to like it's already made, so we'll make it so if you wanna sell bundle. So I found out that because their hair is competition.
Ningavimbuntana guys.
To ebi Swama kamesita kwa gabelako Uyoli tolariko Naka ebi Swama kwa gabelako Uyoli tolariko